Hi everyone! This Canvas 4 model home located in our Belterra community is for sale and features 4 bedrooms, one of which can be utilized as a home office or a private gym, 3 full bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Let's go take a look. As you step in, the first thing you'll notice is this bonus room that can be used as a 4th bedroom, a home office, or even a private gym. Plus, you're just steps away from a full bathroom. And as we make our way into this open concept living space where most folks spend their time, we combine this spacious great room featuring a 12-foot sliding door with a dining space and a kitchen. This kitchen features quartz countertops, beautiful brown cabinets, stainless steel appliances, plus you have an incredible walk-in pantry with tons of shelving. Upstairs, you'll find 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom that feature a Jack and Jill layout. As we make our way toward the master bedroom, you'll pass by this spacious laundry room, and then you step into this amazing bedroom that features tons of windows to allow for natural light, and you're connected to this oasis that features a large step-in shower with dual shower heads, a freestanding tub, and tons of counter space, including the perfect vanity for getting ready in the morning. And my favorite part about this home is you not only have 1, but 2 large walk-in closets to store everything you can imagine. This Canvas 4 model home located at Belterra features 4 bedrooms, one of which can be utilized as a home office or a private gym, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Plus, you have tons of designer features and upgrades that you're gonna love. Contact our Belterra sales office for more information. That features tons of natural light to allow for oh my God.